Jai Shri Mataji, everyone. Let us bow down collectively at the lotus feet of Shri Mataji and raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan. Now the right hand on the left heart. So as the Sahasrara day was yesterday, and at a lot of places we are going to do Sahasrara Puja today and tomorrow. So we will be worshipping Shri Mataji on the Sahasrara on both this day, thanking Shri Mataji for opening our Sahasrara. Let us ask permission from Shri Mataji for this meditation. Mother, you are the queen of universe. You are the supreme power. You are the primordial mother, the Adi Shakti, whose mere glance can create and destroy universe. We, the Saj Yogis, humbly ask to bless us, protect us, and forgive us. Mother, please allow us to worship you, to take your name. Shri Mataji, please take us in your meditation. Please give me the state of nirvicharita, the thoughtless awareness. Mother, I don't know how to remove these thoughts. Please give me the state of nirvicharita. Please make me thoughtless. Let us recite three great mantras.
May God bless you. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. May God bless you all.
Now slowly, slowly take our attention to Muladhar. Shramata ji, please come in my Muladhara. Please bless my Muladhara. Strengthen it, enlighten it with the power of your love. Attention towards left Muladhara. And with all awe and respect and with total surrendering, let us now recite Sri Nirmal Ganesh Mantra. We can put our right hand on Mother Earth. Om Tvami Vasakshan Shri Nirmal Ganesh Sakshan Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shamataji, by your grace, I am innocent. I am innocent. I am innocent. Please remove all the filth, all the negativity from my left Muladhara. The hand back on the lap and the attention towards central Muladhara. Shri Ganesh Gauri Sakshat. Om Tvami Vasakshat Shri Ganesh Gauri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mother, you are Valli Shri Ganesha, the embodiment of innocence, the source of innocence. Mother, please give me this power of innocence. Make me innocent. Mother, please make my Muladhara very strong. Let me have the gravity that a Saj Yogi should have. Attention towards right Muladhara. And slowly the left hand on Mother Earth. Here we will recite Sri Kartikeya mantra. Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kartikeya Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mother, please protect me from all the negativities, from the 6 enemies of my soul. Mother, cleanse me and make me worthy of you, your appreciation, your attention, your love. You are the destroyer of all the evils, all the Rakshasas in me. Om Tvame Vasakshat Sarva Rakshasa Antri Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mother, please destroy all the evil in me. You are the killer of all the devils and demons in me. Mother, you are the destroyer of all the negativities and badhas in me. Please protect me and destroy all the evil in me. The hand back on the lap. And with all surrendering, slowly, slowly, the attention on Sahasrara. Let us put our right hand on our Sahasrara. Mother, please establish your lotus feet on my Sahasrara. Please give me the required oneness, the required state to be one with you. Mother, nothing else I desire for. Let me feel the love of Param Chaitanya on my Sahasrara. Mother, please establish your lotus feet on my Sahasrara. If we want, we can put our hand back on the lap. And now, in this state, let us hear the speech of Shri Mataji.
Today is the 19th Sahasrara day. If you count the first one, the day Sahasrara was opened. I'll have to tell you the story about the Sahasrara day, about which it was decided. Long time back. Before I incarnated. They had a big meeting in the heavens. All the 35 crores of gods, the deities, were there present to decide what is to be done. This is the ultimate that we have to do to human beings. To open their Sahasrara, to open their awareness to the Spirit, to the real knowledge of the Divine. To remove the darkness of ignorance, and it had to be spontaneously, because it has to work, the living force of God. Also, it had to be very quick. So all the gods requested that now I, the Adi-Shakti, has to take the birth. They all tried their best. They did whatever was possible. The saints were made by them, but very few. They incarnated, and people made religions out of them, which were perverted, brought them bad name. no reality in those religions. These religions were money oriented or power oriented. There was no divine force working. Actually, it was all anti-divine. How to now turn human beings away from these superficial religions, these perverted paths of destruction? How to tell them about all these established organizations? For ages they have been ruling, making money, making power. It was a tremendous task, had to be done with great patience and the love. It was a very delicate work also, because they believed in those religions, innocent people, simple people. To blast them that this is all nonsense, there are no religions, they are against the incarnation, against all the prophets, against all the saints. That's why all the real saints had to suffer. It's a powerful work that was to be done. And that's why Adi Shakti had to take birth on this earth. It had to be before the 6th of May, because 6th of May was the doomsday in that year. It was done on the 5th of May at the nick of the time. It was all decided beforehand. And every deity's job was allotted to all of them. Very efficient deities, very obedient. They knew me very well, completely dedicated and devoted. They knew me very, very well. Every end of my hair they knew. I didn't have to teach them protocol. Love itself gives you protocol. But love that is divine is not selfish love. It's not the way we love my child, my husband, my country, my clothes. It is the love which is divine, which spreads from your heart, from your spirit, like the light of knowledge. What a tremendous task it was. So, as said, at Sahasrara, I had to be Mahamaya. I had to be Mahamaya. I had to be something that people can't recognize me easily. But deities, no. This Mahamaya had to come on this earth. Not the Adi Shakti in her purest form is too much. So she was covered with this Mahamaya. Now you see, in 19 years, what we have achieved. So many yogis are sitting before. The difference between a saint and a yogi is that a saint himself is righteous. himself is holy. But he doesn't know much about the Kundalini. But the yogi knows about the Kundalini. But the difference between a yogi and a Sahaja yogi, is that Sahaja yogi has powers. And Sahaja yogini has powers to give realization to others. A yogi can cleanse himself, but he cannot cleanse others. While a Sahaja yogi can cleanse others and cleanse himself. So this is the superior most state which you achieved through your great punyas, I should say. So many of you have been searching the truth in previous lives, and now here you are to achieve what you have been searching. All that has happened now so beautifully. You are not even aware what has happened to you. Automatically, spontaneously you've got the powers within your central nervous system in a split of a second. Your attention has been fixed now. Of course, even now some people don't have. Even now I see the attention wobbles. But so many of you have achieved that state, as he was saying, Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham. You have it. What Adi Shankaracharya has described about himself, you can say that about all of you. So many Adi Shankaracharya sitting before us. But still, I am a Mahamaya. I just behave like you. I too have a family. I too have children, which can be called as mine. And you are my children too. So when you are matured enough, the first sign is that you get discretion. That's divine discretion is love again. But I see people falter. They don't mind saying, Mother, I'm catching on my agya. Why? You know how to cleanse it. You know what to do about it. Why don't you clear it? Why don't you get to it? What is the thing? The Maya. First starts the problem of family. My wife, my mother, my brother, my husband, my children. All right? That's Maya. With that, you get drowned. Again, you are brought up. Then subtler and subtler this Maya becomes. The situation of the family improves, everybody knows that. But so many falter. So many get lost in Sahaja Yoga because they had a bad wife or a bad husband. You have to ascend alone yourself. You don't have to depend on others. And those who do not allow you to ascend have to be thrown away. Nothing is more important than your ascent, higher and higher, because it has a very great divine purpose, the ultimate, the climax. where the whole humanity is to be saved through your efforts. You have to work it out. And at this situation, we see the 1,000 petals. These are the powers of Virata within you. And this is where we falter. That the light of this Sahasrara is the Brahmarandra, which is your heart chakra. Now the heart chakra can be also misunderstood very much. And this misunderstanding always comes from the Mahamaya for testing. Like, we say we have to have a family. We must have good families. We must have good children. Immediately, the Mahamaya acts. We start worrying about the husband, worrying about the family. We should be our family. There's a saying in Sanskrit, Udara Charitanam Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The one who are of a character of saints, the whole world is their family. You worry about an individual family so that the collective family is strengthened, not to worry about individual families so that the collective suffers. And if there is such a family tie, better throw it away. We have to sacrifice. No sacrifice, it's only getting rid of the disease. So we waste our time with our children, with our family, which is very small. Then the situation changes in different areas. That's the compassion, the love and affection. We believe
Let us continue to sit in meditation.
As soon as Sahasrara was open, the whole atmosphere was filled with tremendous Chaitanya. And there was tremendous light in the sky. And the whole thing came on this earth as if a torrential rain or a waterfall with such a tremendous force as if I was unaware and got stupefied. The happening was so unexpected and so tremendous that I was stunned and I became completely silent at its.
A thousand blessings you give to us when you are in our sasraras. A thousand flowers so beautiful you give when you are in our hearts. Thank you for all of this, for the peace, for the joy and the bliss. Thank you, Mother. A thousand starlights in the heavens above, you made them specially for all of us to understand a little bit of how great that you are. Thank you for all of this, for the peace, for the joy and the bliss. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mother.
Let us join our hand and thank Shri Mataji. For all the blessings and for opening our Sastrara. Thank you, Mother. Let us now raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan. Thank you, everyone. Wishing everyone a happy puja, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.